Here is a beginner-level sales manager quiz that covers revenue generation responsibility, sales quota management, and client relationship management, CRM. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary responsibility of a sales manager? A. Managing advertising campaigns. B. Increasing revenue through direct sales efforts. C. Designing brand logos. And D. Planning office operations. Answer: increasing revenue through direct sales efforts. Question 2. What is a sales quota? A. A daily sales report. B. A marketing strategy for branding. C. A sales target assigned to a salesperson or team. And D. A customer complaint system. Answer: a sales target assigned to a salesperson or team. Question 3. Which of the following best describes client relationship management, CRM? A. A tool used for managing relationships with suppliers. B. A technique for generating advertisements. C. A financial management system for sales teams. And D. A process for tracking and managing interactions with customers. Answer: a process for tracking and managing interactions with customers. Question 4. What is the most important metric to measure a sales manager's success? A. Number of marketing campaigns run. B. Customer retention rate. C. Revenue generated against sales targets. And D. Number of brand mentions on social media. Answer: revenue generated against sales targets. Question 5. What is the main purpose of setting a sales quota? A. To challenge employees with impossible goals. B. To align sales efforts with business revenue targets. C. To reduce the number of customers handled. And D. To manage marketing budgets. Answer: to align sales efforts with business revenue targets. Question 6. Which of the following is not a responsibility of a sales manager? A. Conducting sales training for the team. B. Closing deals with customers. C. Designing brand logos and social media ads. And D. Tracking the performance of sales representatives. Answer: designing brand logos and social media ads. Question 7. Which sales strategy helps maintain strong client relationships? A. Ignoring customer complaints. B. Following up with customers regularly. C. Only communicating when making a sale. And D. Sending marketing emails without personalization. Answer: following up with customers regularly. Question 8. What is a common challenge that sales managers face when managing quotas? A. Sales representatives struggling to meet their targets. B. Customers refusing to pay invoices. C. Marketing campaigns not being creative enough. And D. Customer service teams rejecting leads. Answer: sales representatives struggling to meet their targets. Question 9. Which of the following is a best practice for tracking sales progress? A. Keeping records in handwritten notes. B. Using a CRM system to monitor interactions and sales pipeline. C. Guessing the monthly sales based on experience. And D. Only tracking revenue at the end of the quarter. using a CRM system to monitor interactions and sales pipeline. Question 10. A sales manager should focus on which key area to boost revenue? A. Reducing sales team size. B. Avoiding follow-ups to reduce workload. C. Cutting marketing efforts. And D. Increasing customer satisfaction and closing more deals. Answer: increasing customer satisfaction and closing more deals. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the primary benefit of using a CRM tool? A. Automating payroll for employees. B. Designing marketing brochures. C. Tracking and managing customer interactions efficiently. And D. Reducing production costs. Answer: tracking and managing customer interactions efficiently. Question 12. Which skill is most important for a sales manager? A. Graphic designing. B. Strong negotiation and persuasion skills. C. Social media advertising. And D. Website development. Answer: strong negotiation and persuasion skills. Question 13. A sales manager notices that sales reps are failing to meet their quota. What should they do? A. Provide additional training and coaching. B. Fire the sales reps immediately. C. Reduce the number of customers assigned. And D. Stop setting quotas altogether. Answer: provide additional training and coaching. Question 14. What is the key goal of sales quota management? A. To create unrealistic targets for employees. B. To measure sales performance and align it with business objectives. C. To reduce the number of sales calls made per day. And D. To prioritize branding over sales. Answer: to measure sales performance and align it with business objectives. Question 15. How can a sales manager increase client retention? A. By ignoring client feedback. B. By selling products at a loss. C. By focusing only on new customers. And D. By offering excellent customer service and follow-ups. Answer: by offering excellent customer service and follow-ups. Question 16. What is an effective way to motivate a sales team? A. Providing incentives and recognition for top performers. B. Ignoring their performance and letting them work independently. C. Increasing their workload without rewards. And D. Avoiding communication with the team. Answer: providing incentives and recognition for top performers. Question 17. How does setting clear sales quotas help a business? A. It only benefits the marketing team. B. It forces employees to work overtime. C. It provides sales teams with a clear direction and performance expectations. And D. It reduces the need for customer engagement. Answer: it provides sales teams with a clear direction and performance expectations. Question 18. Which sales approach helps in handling customer objections effectively? A. Telling the customer they are wrong. B. Ignoring objections and pushing for a sale. C. Ending the conversation when a customer disagrees. And D. Listening to customer concerns and offering solutions. Answer: listening to customer concerns and offering solutions. Question 19. What is a key benefit of CRM in sales management? A. It handles product manufacturing. B. It replaces the need for human sales representatives. C. It allows storing and tracking customer interactions for better relationship management. And D. It increases the cost of customer service. Answer: it allows storing and tracking customer interactions for better relationship management. Question 20. A sales manager wants to improve team performance. What should they do? A. Provide coaching and continuous feedback. B. Reduce the team size to make things easier. C. Assign the same sales quota to every rep without considering experience. And D. Focus only on individual success, not team efforts. Answer: provide coaching and continuous feedback. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.